copies of this. Alright, so hello boys and girls. I'm live on Facebook, and today is March 12th, 2019. Yeah. Okay. Don't cramp! Okay, I hate that. Alright, so now let me take this camera here and flip it. Alright. There. Now I flipped. What I'm going to open up here is this box, like I'm showing here, and that camera there. Now I'm going to put you all into this clip and clip you to the mirror so you can watch me. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so put this in the clip. Alright. Okay, so now I'm in the clip. And now I got to orient this thing here to the, wait, no, the other way. Yeah, like that. Okay, so, and then put this in the mirror. And then, oh, I did that wrong. Here, wait, maybe this way. Well, no, that's not going to work. Oh, no, don't be stuck. Wait. How did I do this before? I have it upside down. That's probably what it is. Oh, golly. Okay, that's not going to work. How did I do this before? That doesn't work. What the heck? Alright, trial and error here with this toy. Alright, let me take it out of this clip. Don't lose nothing. Okay, let's flip it over. Maybe that was it. Alright, so flip it over. Yeah, that, wait. That, no. Okay, I should have fixed, oh, there we go. That's the way it goes. Okay, there we go. Finally got it. Sorry about all that. Alright, so now angle this, push that on, lock it in place. Okay, great. So now, alright, so that looks like that. That'll put it on the floor. That'll show up pretty much everything on the room there. This one's going. Okay, great. So, how much time have I wasted on this camera? Because it shows me 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes I've wasted. Alright, so here we go. I've got, oh, just for a while I'm thinking about it, I've got a Sanyo M2820, okay, and I've got some Metallica. Okay, so here, let me play that for you. Anyway, just let you know I've got a tape in here. It really is Metallica. It's the whole album. You know, I don't know. So there's some music that I can play on this thing. And by the way, the it wasn't plugged into the wall. It's just running on batteries. You know, anyway, like that. Okay, so much for that. So now that I've had my fun, let me get to this box here. All right, so so now I've already taken pictures of all the box top, which has all the address stuff on it, but I don't want to show that off to the world, so I'm opening it this way. Okay, so now I have to get around to this here. Yeah, we'll just do it this way. Okay, so so yeah, great. The guy packaged it just the way I told him to. Okay, so here's a speaker. Alright. There's a speaker. And here's the other speaker. Okay. And we'll just set that there. And here's the, oh my gosh, main unit. Well packed. Very good. And I'll probably carefully repackage this and ship it back. Here, let's do this right. I can actually use this as a platform. Here we go. Great. No, I don't want to show that. Okay. There we go. So now, okay, so now let's, well, yeah, people just, so, I could play some music for you, but, yeah. Alright, so, that. Okay, so, then, that, this, just take it down one side. We can come back and wrap this around later. And just, I would like to sit here and just, well, maybe, okay, there we go. Alright, great. So, there's the main unit like that. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go, great. Okay. And then we've got this out here. Okay, so, and then, great. And then that just unwraps like that. So, yep. Very good. Okay. Alright, so here it is. Looks like that. Okay. Looks like this, that, this, and okay. And this is, okay, so it's, okay, it's set up for, oh shucks. It is set up for 220 volts. So it's not going to play right now for me, and it's using a figure 8 plug. Luckily I have a figure 8 plug, but I have to change the voltage thing on the back here. And it takes a little, it's just a slide plate, which you have to loosen. Let's see here. So, well, you know, if I run off to the other room and get a proper screwdriver, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Okay, so hopefully this is small enough. Oh yeah, very good. Should have brought a magnet thing with me, but there's that. So now, just take, you can't see me in that camera, but I just took off this little piece here. Okay, and I guess we just flip it around. Yep, that's how we do it. We just flip it around, okay? And it becomes a keyhole. Oh, great. Right, so now it shows AC 110, 127 on this side. Okay, so, oh gosh, so now, and that's Mom's phone. Alright, so, well, that's good enough. We can mess with that later. So now, I need what? Okay, I need a figure 8 plug. I got a figure 8 plug here. Will this plug in, or do I have to get an actual keyhole plug? No, it'll work. Okay, let's plug it in. Power on. Oh, that sounded good. Alright, so it powers on. It lights up. Okay, well, you can't see that, but it did power on. It lights up. 1, 2, and this one here. Okay, so now let's put this over here. Let's turn the power back off. Let's unwrap some speakers. Okay. Alright, so now, okay, how's that thing doing? That's still green on both accounts, so the my internet connection should be pretty good. Alright, so, yeah. Fine. So now, it is, no, fine. Okay, I'll just, again, carefully. There we go. Great. Got a speaker. Yay. And these have the little push-in deals. They push in. Okay, so anyway. I don't know if you understand what that's about, but let's get the other speaker. Okay. And undo that. Okay. And then we just rip it down the side because we can always tape it. Okay. That is. And here's the other speaker. Okay. So, okay, so it's a silver SX5, right? You see that there? Everybody likes to see that kind of stuff. Well, I'm thinking about, let me pull up the back side of this here and let you see it. Okay, so, oops. Well, it didn't. So, there's that. And it's got two speaker deals and then two line-in deals. Okay, RCA jacks. Alright, so now, these are RCA plugs here on this side. I would sit here and attach it, but I just want to play this. Alright, so this one goes on this side because of the orientation of the thing. Here, let's get this box and see if we can just put it up here, alright, and then see here. Right, so there we go. You lock it in place and you plug this into the speakers in the back, which is left. This is right, so put that in right. Okay. We get the other speaker, and we don't need it as far away as the other one is, so put this on here. Alright, great, so that, this one's okay, and then put this one here. Wait, yeah, that's right. Alright, so, and now let's see if we have tins. Alright, so, power. Some power and oh boy, FM.
Soy amigo y también mexicano, mexicano hasta el tope. All addiction one. Unique team approach. I'll take a shot of I don't care what you're doing. One with a cold screw you. When that's done, I just might wash it down with a big picture of
in the sense of there's no protection for the players. I think there are a lot of great fans around the world that like to come to the game and enjoy the game. And there are people that come to the game and to say mean, disrespect everything about me, my family. For many years, man,
Okay, that's the tape button. So if I take a tape, which I was just playing in this one here, all right. pick that out and eject, and then drop that in, hit that, hit rewind, play. Oh no! Well, it didn't eat the tape. I don't know what happened there, but let's try that again. See here. Well, there's always, that's the pause. It's not in pause mode. Okay. Now it stopped. It jammed. It jammed. Oh no. Why me? Well, I don't know what happened, but